Have you been looking for a spacious home? One with a large yard? One that you can add an ADU? Well, I have the property for you. Welcome to 695 Fiesta Place, located here in Hayward, California. This spacious home features almost 2,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a remodeled kitchen, and a remodeled master bathroom. Is this the home you've been searching for? Are you tired of homes with small backyards? Well, this beautiful home boasts a 16,000 square foot backyard with an in-ground swimming pool and has plenty of room for an ADU. Welcome home. Your search is finally over. For more information about this beautiful home, feel free to contact me, Jose Diaz, your favorite realtor, at 510-912-4519. Make it a great day.